Hello, in today's video, I'll show you um, how to enable a battery limit or how to disable it on a Surface Pro 13. In order to do it, you can go to the Surface app that comes pre-installed on your device. So if I open the Windows menu, I'll find it there in pinned, or I can go to all and search for the letter S, like Surface. Now you should find the Surface application. It may need you to go through a few beginning steps at the first time, and then it should open to something like this. Now you should give it a moment because I believe it should give me more options here. But for now, I don't see them. Okay, now they have, not all of them have appeared though. We need to wait until the battery option shows up. And I don't really see it. After reopening the app and waiting a moment, it finally shows up. Then when I click on battery and charging, there are 3 charging modes, and that is a little annoying here. I'll explain all of them. So the limit to 80 will limit your charging to 80%. It technically extends your battery health and lifespan, honestly, I would only recommend that mode. Of course, it's up to you, whichever one you choose, but this mode, personally, I would only use if the laptop was supposed to plugged in all the time. And, well, I'm not having it plugged in all the time. It's mobile. It's a mobile device. I'm moving it around, so I wouldn't want that because it does preserve your lifespan, your battery health, and stuff like that. But if you're limiting your battery potential to 80% at the very beginning, it will still degrade anyway, but slower. So why not use 100%? Of course, if you want to limit, feel free to do it. But let's talk about the other options. There's adaptive, which will automatically learn your charging needs, and I think that's the best mode because if it sees that your laptop is plugged in, for example, on the work day, if you go to work with your laptop, plug it in at the very beginning and unplug it at some certain time, then it will only keep it charged at 80% and and then resume charging about an hour before you're expected to unplug it to finish the charging to 100%. Then you unplug it, you can use it on the go, and it will just adapt to your habits. Then there's one more mode, which I would love to normally use, charge to 100%, but this only works temporarily. You can set it for 1 day or 1 week, and that's it. You can't set it to like use 100% of your battery that comes included in the laptop. You can't really do it, unfortunately. So these are the only options. And honestly, I would only set it to adaptive. But if you feel like limiting to 80, feel free to do it. You can do it here. And that's it. You can now close the app. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.